I just received my new dbrand KillSwitch covers. The KillSwitch was known for making the Joy-Cons come off if you held it with one hand or in the wrong way. Some were apparently worse than others. I never found it too much of an issue really in my experience, but the Joy-Cons could come off if I tried, so they did replace everybody's. They've also included friction pads or rubber grips that stop the dock attachment coming with the Switch when you try and remove it from the dock. The new grips are not that different. They have cut away a bunch of material so that it doesn't go between the Joy-Con and the Switch. They also added some hard plastic at the bottom and a soft layer at the top. They call this Joy Lock. These were easy enough to replace. I never had too much movement on the left on my Switch. The right side was worse. I feel like it's fairly similar now. Maybe my centerpiece around the body of the Switch is slightly to one side by the tiniest bit, but it is stuck on by adhesive, so I don't know how much that I can adjust this. After replacing the right one, this is an example of the movement. It is slightly more stiff than before, I think, but it does still wobble. The difference is that it doesn't want to push out of the Switch like before. After swapping both grips, I've taken some videos of me testing the movement over my carpet, just so I don't wreck my Switch if it was to come out. But as you can see, it is definitely better. I'll try add a bunch of videos just to show before and after the difference on my Switch. In this kit, they also supplied some new skins in the same color as the Switch to protect near the USB-C port for scratches. Mine hasn't got any scratches from using this grip over the last few months, but it is a nice little extra gift. Then we get the friction pads. I originally thought this wasn't the best thing when I heard that they were just adding friction pads and not fixing anything. But after adding these, they actually work really good. Also, I did receive a few comments about my dock location in the previous videos, but it always worked here for years, and that's where I have room for my Switch. Although the Nintendo dock is huge and hard to take with you, it does work pretty well. After adding these friction pads, it is obviously the same to dock the Switch. Sometimes it takes a little bit of wobbling or a second attempt because I do have this dock sideways, but it is way better to remove the dock now. And also I know that I have those stickers on the bottom of the Switch to protect it from scratches if I am wobbling it to dock it. Overall, I think they have done a really good job at fixing these issues and sending these out all around the world to fix all the docks that they sent out. No grip is perfect for everyone from what I've found so far. Everyone, even in the comments, likes different things or prefers different things, and that all depends on how they use, store, travel with their Switch. I think the KillSwitch is almost perfect for what I need personally. If you want to see what I like most about the KillSwitch or the things that I may not like about the KillSwitch, I've made a fair few videos on these topics now, so make sure you check out my channel. One little spoiler with these videos is that the list of things I don't like is slightly smaller now.